Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new deals to share with you. We have some Home Depot deals. We're going to use the YouTube shopping links, so you'll see boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video. What is this town that it's showing me in? Milwaukee? It's got to be Wisconsin, or maybe like Minnesota. Even Iowa has some goofy-ass names like that. Anyway, we're going to use the YouTube shopping links for all the Home Depot stuff. That's linked in the box down below. Have some Amazon deals, and those are going to be linked in the description. So first up, I'm showing you this DeWALT pressure washer. I really like this plug-in pressure washer. 2400 PSI. One of the main things I like about it, these big-ass wheels down here. I got a couple of pressure washers. They got little bitty baby wheels. Problem is, you're rolling that thing around, you just hit like a little pebble in the driveway, and the damn thing about flips over. It just can't handle anything. Don't even think about a crack. You might as well just pick that thing up and carry it around. So I like the big wheels. I like that you got the little storage for the nozzle there, and it's 2400 PSI, which I think mine are like 1700, and you know, that's believing what the Chinese have to say about it. So I'm thinking about this one. I really like it. It started out at $3.99. It's down to $2.29. Again, 2400 PSI left. There's not a lot left. There's only 21 of these suckers still there. Of course, you may find them in a local store, but as far as getting it shipped to your door. Now, this item and several others that I'm going to show you today are part of a new tool that I added to my site. You can see up in the menu, we have this Home Depot link, which I'm going to build it out more. But two of the pages that we have, the best Home Depot clearance and discounts. It's going to be updated every single day. We have a search bar at the top where you can go by brand, product, the part number. You can search there, or you can just look at the top discounts by any of these brands, percentage discount or savings. So you can see all the different. It's just comparing the original price that Home Depot says items are down to, you know, whatever the current price on the website is right now. And this was kind of a big task, at least for me, because a couple of things I found out, if you want to do a little inside baseball, as far as, and I'll link this down below as well, as far as how things work. So apparently Home Depot has about 3.7 million products available. Of those, about 800,000 are out of stock. Now, were they out of stock just yesterday? Have they been out of stock for 10 years? I have no idea, but let's just try to like lighter saw. So it's just a huge number of course, it's going to get blades and everything in here. It's a huge number of products to try and track and update. So I had to be a little judicious on what do we update and what do we not care about. So it's strictly tools in this. Any other kind of products that Home Depot sells is not going to be in this list at all. But again, it's going to update every single day, and you'll see on this timestamp right here the last time that it was updated, or when the prices were accurate as of. Oops, I still got miter saw in this thing. Clear that out. There we go. So just something for you to take a look at, especially tomorrow, because I'm recording this, well, it's about midnight right now, so in a couple of hours, the special buys of the week and special buys of the day will pop up. I think this thing's going to update kind of in the middle of the day, so more so for the special buys of the week. But something for you guys to check out. Now, the other thing, so we have this other page that is the Home Depot price drops page, and this is comparing yesterday's price with today's price, because sometimes their original prices are a little goofy. They can't be trusted. But we can see how much it just dropped over one day. Like this Sunex, we're going to revisit here in a second. But this being dropping down to 52.21. So another little tool, something for me to find deals to show you guys, but also something you can take a gander at on your own and see if you find anything you like. Now, first Amazon deal that I want to show you is the Oscillating multi-tool for DeWALT 20-volt batteries. This is going to be one of those brand compatible guys. You got a brushless motor by the brand DeForce DeWALT. So it comes as a whole kit. Now the kit does not mean battery and charger, but all these accessories to go along with your oscillating tool. Looks to be variable speed from here. And there is no promo code or coupon, just a nice little sale price, but $25.99 oscillating tool with the brushless motor. Nice little backup, or if you don't use oscillating tools a ton, maybe you don't need to spend $100 on the legit DeWALT one, and this one will do just fine for you. It's generally not like a high force tool, so I would actually expect theirs to last pretty good.
You'll leave the stands when the lights go dim and lose the memory of what I've been. Empty seats is all that remains, just echoes and bloodstains.
Now, back over to Home Depot. Maybe, possibly. Come on, there we go. We have this little organizer. Love these guys because they're all stackable. You got the clear top, you can see what's in it. All the bins are removable. Love a mouse over. Nothing beats a mouse over. So the 10 compartment small plastic organizer, normally $17 down to $10.97. Every single thing that I'm going to show you here was found on those two previous tools that I just showed to you as far as the Home Depot stuff. This was a really cool offer that I thought some people might be interested in. Right now, Amazon has a 10% cash back when you use their Prime Visa on specific items. But also, if you don't already have the Visa card and you are a new subscriber, you get a $150 Amazon gift card when you get approved. So you could be in a position to get the $150 gift card plus get 10% off one of your tool purchases. So this page has all the links that you need if you want to sign up for the $150, and then we have the links for 10% back. Now, actually, it goes all the way up to $25. It's just most of the items are 10% off. I saw there was some TVs and tech stuff that you actually got a 25% cash back. It's points to, buy other stuff. So those links have the full list. I pulled out a few of the just more expensive things that you probably would like to save 10% on, like the DeWALT planer, this other one at $5.99. The miter saw normally $6.99 down to $5.99. This pressure washer, which is kind of similar to the DeWALT one we just looked at, and look at that price, $379.99. And then one of these guys, just to show you guys, it's not just tools, there's all sorts of stuff in there. That one's $329. Again, you're saving 10% on any of these prices, so if it was something you were interested in. But for sure, take a look at the full page because there was thousands of items that qualify for this 10%. One thing is it's not always readily available. Sometimes on the product page it said right on at 10%. Other ones it didn't say anything on the product page. If you add the item to your cart and then at the checkout screen, make sure you select your Prime Visa as your payment option. Right below the price of the item, right below the quantity where it has the little box, it has the picture, the title, and the quantity of what you're buying, it says something like additional promotion or something. And if you click that, it shows where you're getting your 10%. Back to Home Depot. We have a Makita combo kit, and I thought this was really cool. I don't know what they call their interchangeable system. For Milwaukee, that'd be a quick lock system, but you're getting the string trimmer, the pole saw, which I love a pole saw, probably one of my favorite tools because it's not just for high things. Look, I'm 4 feet tall. You give me a pole, I like it. It makes me feel nice and tall. But it's also great for cutting things down low. You don't got to crouch down. You don't got to bend over. Just reach down there, cut with the pole saw. Love that. You're also getting the battery. I can't remember, is that a 4? That's a 4 amp hour battery you're getting with it. And then you're getting a free blower. So it's almost like getting 3 tools, really. And the discounted price here down to $319, normally $598. Now they're all brushless tools. Again, you're getting that 4 amp hour battery. So really good. $279 off on that guy. Now on Amazon, Ortho Home Defense had a bunch of just price drops on different things, and I generally use both their insect killer and weed killer, so I thought, well, since I'm going to be buying some anyways, might as well show it to you guys. So the insect killer, normally $26 down to $16.99. You have this version of the insect killer, just $10.46. I'll let you guys take a look at them. It's just sale prices. There's no promo code, no coupons, but it's a bunch of Ortho stuff that these are like 20-30% off. Seems to be that time of year. Now back to Home Depot, we have a Milwaukee M12 fuel vacuum with 2 batteries. For the 1.6 gallon wet dry, those are two 3 amp hour batteries to go with it. Normally $279, special buy right now $139. Now, one thing I purposely left off of everything I'm showing you today were the special buys of the week from last week. There's a couple that were probably good enough to be worth telling you about, but they're ending in like 2 hours, so I thought that would just piss people off more than anything. Which I'm not always opposed to be honest with, but in this instance, I might as well. Or might as well not, I guess. Let's see. We got the RIDGID reciprocating saw. So this is a tool-only deal. Your full length. It's not like the compact one-handed guy or anything like that, but just your traditional size. 18-volt cordless, tool-only. Only $69. Normally $124, so you're almost saving 50% on that guy. 3,000 strokes per minute. Boy, that'd be nice. That's a lot. Gotta like that. Hey, the 1 1/8 inch stroke length. Same as the Bear. Ryobi! We got an impact wrench. Buy one, get one, 18 volt. So this is the 3/8 inch drive. Normally $139. Special buy of just $99. Now we get a free item to go with it, and it's going to be a 2 amp hour battery. So getting your 3/8 inch impact wrench, getting your 2 amp hour battery, going to only be $99. Go on over to the Milwaukee Shockwave Set. Kind of nice little 3-piece set. You get 2 of the cases with all the bits. Get a crap ton of reciprocating saw blades in the handy dandy case. So it's a 120-piece set with the Sawzall blades. Normally $101 down to $49.97, saving 50% on that as well. All these are in stock, by the way. Another RIDGID deal. We got the combo kit. Impact driver, flashlight, reciprocating saw, drill, circular saw. All the basics. 5-tool combo kit, getting 2 4 amp hour batteries to go with it. Normally $299, $50 off, down to $249. Now I wanted to specifically show you this Sunex tool because it's a little bit different. I mean, it looks like it's a really good deal, especially if you're regularly using an air compressor. But we have this Sunex saw here, 24 tooth and 32 tooth. It's $52.21. Now, if you notice, it doesn't say special buy. It doesn't give like a regular full price. But because I found it on that tool, and I know with 100% certainty that tool is very simple. It's saving a list of all the products and prices, and it's displaying it on the discounts page. Then it's saving that exact same list the next day, and it's comparing what was the price yesterday, what is the price today. Tell me the 100 items with the biggest difference. So it 100% was more expensive yesterday. It's down to $52.21, but it doesn't show any kind of discount on Home Depot's website. But if we go to these comparables, oh, what a bitch. Who knew I'd have to preload every page beforehand? Which one of you suckers is doing this to me? You're going to find out in 1 second. Come on. Acme, you bastards. So here the same saw on Acme is $105.99, so twice the price over at Acme. Now if we look at this one, should be Northern Tool. Yeah, okay. Same saw, $105.99. So a really good deal over at Home Depot, but if you were just browsing around looking for specific sale prices, you might not even notice it, especially if it's something you are less familiar with, but it's half price. Come on. Come on. There we go. There it is, guys. Just a couple of deals that I found. I really just wanted to show you guys these Home Depot pages so you can check it out for yourself. See what kind of items you can find. The others catalog was a bunch of stuff that is tools for the most part, but they didn't have enough. Like I didn't want to put a button for every single brand that Home Depot sells. So some of these just got launched in with this. I didn't realize how much Vivor has. Vivor is actually by sheer quantity of products listed on Home Depot's website is in like the top 5. Now, as far as I know, they're not physically in the stores, so I guess, I don't know, some kind of drop shipping scenario maybe. But yeah, we got the other category here. It's something I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on so I can find deals to share with you guys. Hopefully it's helpful. It's all a piece in a puzzle that we're eventually getting to something larger, but I got to figure out these stores one at a time. Alright, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.